Hello everyone, welcome to the latest episode of Man Overboard 50 Ain't Nothing But a Number, yo, with your host, Language Barrel. On this channel, we'll be presenting properties for sale in Europe. We'll also list some potential business opportunities in Europe, and we'll list possible places for retirement outside of the U.S. But the main focus of this channel is going to be for individuals who, after the age of 50, who have decided to change what they do, what they believe, where they live, or who they are. If you're such an individual that has made such changes and you're willing to come on camera to share your experience, we welcome the chance to share your experiences with those who could benefit from them. My contact information will be listed in the description. Some mistakenly think that the greatest impact they can have on another is the sharing of their financial resources. We believe that the greatest impact you're going to have on another's life is the sharing of your time and your experiences. So if you're ready, let's get it, and get into the show. Hello everyone, welcome to the latest episode of Man Overboard 50 Ain't Nothing But a Number, yo, with your host, Language Barrel. On this week's episode, we're going to be bringing you a 2-room apartment located on Viale S Dominico and Viale del Sole in Pizzoferrato. This is a 2-room, approximately 50 square meters, which is 500 square feet, 1 bathroom, no elevator, and a balcony. It's approximately 30,000 euro, which is about 33,000 US dollars. The description of the property is as follows. Pizzoferrato, 2-room apartment of approximately 40 square meters or 400 square feet, for sale, developed on 2 levels, one on the entrance floor, a lounge, a sofa bed, wooden table that can be opened. There's a kitchenette and balcony on the upper floor connected by a spiral staircase and double bedroom and a bathroom with a shower. Cross-country skiing enthusiasts will find a ring of about 4 kilometers called La Mandra, which extends 1,500 meters above sea level and is immersed in the beech forest. The route is made up of 2 rings, a simple one which extends 1 kilometer, and a more complex one of medium difficulty, which is 1.5 kilometers long, plus a school field. The departure can take place from Pizzoferrato, Viale del Sole, or from the Gambarelli side, corresponding to the provincial road. Again, this is an apartment, 40 square meters or 400 square feet, 2 bedroom, it's listed as 2 bedroom, 1 other, 1 bathroom, kitchenette on the first floor. It's a split level unit. Again, it's 30,000 euro, which is approximately 33,000 US dollars. It was built in 1970. So other characteristics: external exposure, balcony, centralized TV system, furnished, external window frames in glass and wood. So if ready, let's get it and get into the pictures. First up is a picture of the unit from the front. You can see it's a split level unit. Next picture again is a picture of the front unit. It's a split level unit, but there appears to be an attic on the 3rd floor. This is the main entrance for the unit. This is the interior. This appears to be the dining room. It's a very small fitted kitchen, which appears to have everything that you would need in a kitchen for it to be functional. Again, the kitchen. This is the balcony on the 1st level of the apartment. Again, this is the balcony on the 1st level. You can see the balcony extends the width of the apartment unit. This will be the spiral staircase for the unit leading up to the 1st level. Again, the spiral staircase. This would be the 1st level or the upper level of the unit. You can see off to the right there's the bedroom, and to the left would be the bathroom. This would be the landing from the 1st floor coming up the spiral staircase. Again, a picture of the bathroom. You can see there is a bidet, a toilet, a shower, and a vanity sink. This will be a picture of the one and only bedroom in the unit in the upper level. You can see it's surrounded by paneling. There appears to be a window to the courtyard outside. Again, pictures of the bedroom, which is large enough to accommodate 2 beds. This would be a picture of the courtyard outside the apartment. Again, a picture of the courtyard of the outside of the apartment. This is a road of the village leading into the village and out of the village. Again, this is the main piazza for the particular unit. Again, pictures of the mountains and courtyard area. This is a picture of the front door for the complex. This is the stairway leading up to the unit. Again, the exterior of the apartment. More pictures of the town. The mountains, which are situated right behind the town. Courtyard. And that appears to be it. We're going to take a look at the surrounding area. We're going to start by looking at Viale S Dominico, which is in Valle del Sole. And that's actually a commune or a small town. So as you can see by the map, there is a hotel listed here, Hotel Lafante. And it's probably more of a Airbnb than it's a hotel. There's two restaurants listed, Casa del Pastore. And we'll take a brief look at this restaurant. As you can see, there's some antipasti there. Looks like prosciutto, capicola, some mozzarella, maybe some prosciutto, and some salami. And this looks like a gnocchi. So there's not a lot in this particular village. It is a 7-minute drive, as you can see on the map, to Pizzoferrato. And it looks like in Pizzoferrato there's a pharmacy, there's other restaurants. Look at Pizzoferrato. I looked at the population for this area, and it mentioned Pizzoferrato is about 4,200 people. But I think that might even be that region. It's a region in Abruzzo, the Chieti region, which is not that, it doesn't appear to be that far from the coast. You can see post offices, closest post offices. There's a post office in Pizzoferrato. A few hotels in and around this area. And if we zoom in a little bit, there's at least 3 to 4 restaurants in Pizzoferrato. There's even a bed and breakfast there. The closest hospital is 33 minutes away. The closest airport is going to be the Pescara Airport, about an hour and 17 minutes from Pizzoferrato. Now you can also get to the Rome Airport, but the Rome Airport, I'm not going to map it out, but the Rome Airport is in excess of 3 hours away. It's all the way on the other side of the country. Here are going to be some images of Viale S Dominico. Again, we mentioned that it is a commune or community or village. So you're going to be some images. So as you can see, this appears to be a lot of large kind of apartment or condo dwellings in this specific area. Again, this is a small village, so the biggest nearby village is going to be Pizzoferrato. Just as an aside, this is probably going to be the last apartment or property that I show listed in Europe below below $30,000 to $35,000, because I believe it's not a place I would live. I wouldn't live in these isolated communities, so I'm probably going to put a cap on the property value somewhere around $60,000, and I think that may actually get us some images of some places that are more convenient to live, which would have public transportation, restaurants, and all different kind of amenities. I think that when you look at properties that are ready to move in that are below $30,000, you are going to be in smaller, isolated villages. Now, if that's your preference, that's great for you, but that would necessitate the use of a car, and they're probably going to tend to be really older villages, because usually if the property values correspond to that price, there's probably not a lot of jobs for young people, and so you're going to have these villages where a lot of the young people move away looking for opportunities. Having said that, thank you for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.